Do you want to recycle waste cables? Currently, there are two common waste cable recycling machines. They are cable stripping machine and copper wire granulator respectively. The first is the wire stripping machine. This model wire stripping machine is both manually and electricity operated machine. Adjusting gears to suit different diameter wire, the outer sheath and inner conductor will be stripped by blade when waste cables cross through the middle guide wheel. Under electric mode, you just need adjust the knives and gears, and then machine can strip wire automatically. However, this is a compact machine with a small size and low capacity. Suitable for home or small waste recycling plants. If your scrap is sufficient, then we recommend the copper granulator. The copper wire granulator consists of shredding system, crushing system, sorting system and dust collection system. The whole process is controlled by PLC. Through shredding, crushing, vibration screening, the incompletely separated metal and non-metal will re-entry into the crushing machine and be crushed again, gravity separating and pulse dust collecting. The separation rate of the copper and plastic will reach about 99%, eventually get metal and non-metallic collective. The video shows is model 600 copper wire granulator. Capacity up to 300 to 400 kilograms per hour. If you want to know more about copper wire recycling machine, please contact us.